Good morning, dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. I welcome you all in today's online maths class. Dear kids, in our previous classes, we already learned how we solve the division sums. So today we learn how we solve the division sum with the help of long division method. Look here question. Divide 30 by 7. Firstly, we write this question. By means divide. 30 divided by 7. So, in this question, what is our dividend? 30. So, we write here 30. What is our divisor? Divisor is 7. So now you recall the table of 7 till you reach 30. But 30 do not come in table of 7. So what we do? We take a smaller number than 30. So see here, 7 4s are 28 and 7 5s are 35. Here is 30, here is 28. Here is 30, here is 35. So in 30 and 28, which one is bigger number? 30 and 35. Which one is bigger number? This one is our dividend. So we take smaller number than 30. So which one is smaller? 28. So we write here 7 4s are 28. What is our quotient? 4. Now sign of subtraction. Here is 10 minus 8 is not possible. So what we do? Take a borrow 10's place to 100 10's place to 1's place. So write here 10. 10 minus 8, 2. What is left here? 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So what is our remainder? 2. Now check our answer is right or wrong. So what is the formula? Dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. So what is our divisor? Divisor is 7 multiply. What is our quotient? 4 plus what is our remainder? 2. Now 7 4s are 28. In this 28 we add 2. So 28 plus 2 is 30. So what is our dividend here? 30. And our answer also is 30. It means our question is जो हमने solve किया है इसे वो right. Dear kids, let's take some more example of division sum with the help of long division method. Look here, 48 divided by 5. So mark a sign. Write here 48. Here is 5. So 48 do not comes in table of 5. What we do? We see the number smaller than 48. So in table of 5, 5 9s are 45. Subtraction sign. Look here. 5 9s are 45 and 5 10s are 50. And our dividend is 48. Here we also write 48. So 48 and 45, which one is greater number? 48. Here's 48 and 50, which one is greater number? 50. आपको ये पता है कि जब हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो हम हमेशा बड़े नंबर में से छोटे नंबर को माइनस करते हैं. सो 48 माइनस 45, इसलिए हम 45 लेंगे. 5 9s are 45. Now we subtract 8 minus 5. What is our answer? 3. And 4 minus 4 is 0. So what is our remainder? 3. See the next one. 25 divided by 3. Write here 25. Here is 3. So 25 do not comes in table of 3. So what we do? We take smaller number than 25. So 3 8s are 24. So look here. 3 8s are 24. And our dividend is 25. 24. And 3 9s are 27. 25, 27. So in 25 and 24, which one is greater number? 25. Here 25 and 27, which one is greater number? 27. इसलिए हम 25 में से 24 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, क्योंकि 25 में से 27 सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होगा. So we write here 3 8s are 24. 5 minus 4, 1, 2 minus 2 is 0. So what is our remainder? 1. 25 is our dividend, 3 is our divisor, 8 is our quotient and 1 is our remainder. See the next one. 65. 8 here. 65 divided by 8. So 65 is not come in table of 8. So what we do? Take smaller number. 8 8s are 64. Sign of subtraction. 5 minus 4, 1. 6 minus 6 is 0. So what is our remainder? 1. See the next one. 19 divided by 2. So write here 19. Here is 2. So 19 is not coming. 90 is not coming table of 2. So what we do? Take a smaller number. 2 9s are 80. Sign of subtraction. 9 minus 8. 1. 1 minus 1. 0. Here is our remainder is 1. So dear kids, I hope you understand how we solve the division sum with the help of long division method. आपको सिर्फ बस इसमें ये देखना है कि आपका जो डिवाइडेंड है और जो आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे वो उससे छोटा होना चाहिए. अगर उससे बड़ा होगा तो हम सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.